ever since I've known you, you've always been big on cash flow. If you want to be an investor, and I know if there's anybody that I want to go to when it comes to making income from their investments, it's you. You've been doing it for decades.
Yes. The point is, why do we do what we do? That's an important thing to ask ourselves the question, what are we looking for? And if we buy a house, I think for most people, we just have to recognize we buy a house because we want a place for our family. Maybe it's a family estate. We had a farm in our family for 100 years. But at the end of the day, the thing I think I do a little bit differently than most people, and why it's a bit annoying, is I really press people on, why are you really doing this? Don't tell me it's because you think it's a good financial investment. If you just want it, no problem. Go make the investment that can pay for your lifestyle. Nothing. We don't need to judge each other for what kind of car we buy or what kind of house we have. But let's not call it a great investment just to justify spending the money on it. That's my major point. So with the rent versus own, we won't get into all the details, but really it's just to help people realize that what's stopping us most of the time is the way that we think about investing. Here's